Banyas Waterfalls. Jesus went to a beautiful place by the Banyas Waterfalls. There he asked, "Who do people say I am?" The disciples answered him, "Some say you're a great teacher. Others say you are one of the prophets." But Peter said, "You are the Messiah, the Son of the living God." And Jesus said, "You are right."